ربني تشقا بوسا سري تركيبي تشقا خوش كبي تشقا زان خو بدا بوسا الو
Hello.
وي الو
Hello, I'm talking regarding Mikotoke.
ويس قرباني ميركتوكي يا ميركتوكي دوتر مي دوتر
Okay.
مزر ميركتوكي
I want to tell you something about Mikotoke.
ميركتوكي تكية يو
I'm Mikotoke's teacher.
ها وي سرتعبا وي ويلكم the teacher
Yeah.
the teacher Mirketoke.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
on my eye on my head. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Khode, I'm very good. Come in my house. Come in. Bring you coming children daughter father mother Pirek Alek everybody come in. I make dolma.
Thank you.
قرباني come in.
Nice of you.
Mirketoke school.
Yeah.
سكول ميركتوكي
Yeah.
يا ميركتوكي بعقله والله.
Yeah,
She very good.
She is.
You I know speak good English. والله I speak good English. You come in here I make you food. Naan.
What kind of food?
Making dolma, kutel, sarupe. You like sarupe? بخده I tell Isamo bring you sarupe.
What do you mean
قرباني.
sarupe? What do you mean sarupe?
Sarupe, you know sarupe?
No, I've never heard of something kind of food
Oh.
like this.
Sarupe now, bring meh,
Oh, you mean
Yeah.
sheep?
yes, kuti head sheep, nice,
Oh,
head
disgusting.
sheep, this macaroni inside this and put rice. Drench 2 meters,
Yeah.
7 meters, 4 meters eating, and neg, walking.
Yeah.
Shoes, no shoes.
Oh,
Yes,
you mean legs of sheep? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Wallahi, I cook all this for you, qurbani. Yeah.
People here they used to have it.
Yeah.
Legs and
You
head.
like eggs.
No.
What?
I don't like it.
You like
It's
eggs.
disgusting.
No like.
No.
Yes,
No, thank
qurbani,
you.
ma shtar cheka.
Thank you.
I know, wallahi, I know speak good. I speak good. I coming your house, wallahi.
No, your English is good, Mikotoke's mom. What's your
Such a-
name? Sorry.
My name?
Yeah.
You don't know my name.
No, just I know your daughter.
Really, you don't know me, Morkutoke mother. Everybody schooling, haram. Hammi know me. Sharifa, Sharo.
Oh, okay.
Yes, qurbani.
Thank you.
Sercabim on my
Bye,
eye. You
bye.
coming, your family coming.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
قرباني خدش تراسي
Bye.
سرتع